What's up guys, I'm from BSC Tech with another short video, and in today's short video I'm going to show you how you can switch your Facebook account from one messenger to another messenger. Very simple and straightforward process. For this you need to have Facebook installed, and also you need to have Facebook Messenger installed and working on your device, whether you have an Android device or an iPhone device. It works the same way. So once you open your messenger, then you have to click on the top left hand section and then scroll down and click on switch account. From here you can create another account, or if you have somebody who would like to add another account on the same device, then you can use on this section. So once you do that, you will be able to switch between two accounts. As a bonus tip, if you receive multiple notifications when there's a post on Facebook, for example, you receive SMS notifications, on top of that you will receive email notifications as well as Facebook notification pop up as well. Then how to turn that off? Go into the settings, Facebook settings. I'll do that again. Go into the Facebook settings and scroll down and keep scrolling down, and when you see notification tag, just click on the notification settings. And as you can see, here we have multiple options. First one is mute push notifications. When you see notification tab, you can click on that. If somebody will comment on a post in which they are tagged in, I will be receiving 3 notifications for one post, which is very annoying. So normally you receive a push message, then you receive an email notification in your inbox, which is not that bothered because you simply ignore that. But if it's an SMS notification, you have to disable that, because every time you receive a pop-up window, then you will also receive a text message. So that was the add-on tip for today's video, guys. I hope you enjoyed it. If you have any feedback or comments, don't forget to leave in the comment section below. Subscribe to my channel, stay tuned for upcoming videos, and hit the bell icon so you get all the latest notifications. Take good care of yourself. Bye bye.